everyone. Today we're going to install a spray in here, a toilet spray there, and for that we need to take this toilet seat out and take a connection from the cold water and go from there. Okay, so I unscrewed these two bolts, and we can see the flexible waste pipe and the water pipe, so we are safe to pull this further away from the wall. Alright, so the plan is to create a hole here and pass a new pipe behind the plasterboard and bring it here and somehow connect it to that little pipe there. So now I'm using a multi-tool, and I put the blade at the right angle so I can fit it here to cut a section out beneath So this is an angle tap connector as well. It's going to be screwed in here, and this flexible pipe will be connected to it with a piece of copper pipe, and that's it. Then we will just attach the hose here later on. Okay, so the job is done. Let's have a look what we've done. We have connected this hose through the connection. Okay, so as you can see, the toilet can now go back to where it was, and we have successfully gave a branch. Okay, so this is the actual shower spray that simply attaches to here.